Hello guys, Dhananjay here and welcome back to a new video in which I'm going to show you guys how to root the Xiaomi Mi A1 without disabling OTA updates. I have already done a video on showing how to root the Xiaomi Mi A1, but in that video I flashed the TWRP recovery which breaks the OTA on Xiaomi Mi A1, and Xiaomi does not release a recovery packet which can be flashed through TWRP recovery. But that video will be helpful for others who want to flash custom ROMs on their devices, so I'm not going to take down that video. But if you are someone who is not going to flash custom ROMs but wants to root their device without breaking OTA updates, then this is the video which you should follow. First of all, go into settings, go into about phone, tap on build number 7 times so that the developer options will be enabled. Once you see no need, you are already a developer, go back, go into developer options, enable OEM unlocking and disable automatic updates. Make sure this option is disabled, it is very important. Now install the Magisk Manager APK file which will be linked in the description box below. If we open up the Magisk Manager app, it will say that Magisk is not installed because yes, it's not installed, we have not done anything yet. Now we need to boot into the fast boot mode, and to do that, switch off your device. Once the device is switched off, hold the volume down button and power button together for few seconds and the device will boot into the fast boot mode. Now connect the USB cable to your device so that we can give some commands from our PC. I'll give the platform tools folder link in the description box below, so download that. Now comes the most important part, and do listen to this very carefully. We need to download the patched boot image file. There is a boot image file in our stock ROM which doesn't allow us to root the device. We need to patch that boot image file, and to do that we are going to download the patched boot.image file from this particular XDA thread. If this XDA thread changes, then I'll mention accordingly in the description box below. Now most important thing, if you are on December security patch update on your device, then download the patched boot image of December month. If you are on January update, then download the patched boot image from January month. If you download the patched boot image file of December and flash it on January, then Wi-Fi will not be working, but do not worry, it is not a big issue. You can simply reboot your device and everything will start working once again. So that's not a huge issue, but still, download the patched boot image file of the respective month itself. Very important thing. I have downloaded all the things. So first of all, extract the platform tools zip file. Once that's done, copy the patched boot image file into this folder and you have to paste it in this folder over here where you can see all these files. Once that's done, we need to open up command window in this folder only, and to do that, hold shift button on your keyboard and press right click at the same time in any of the empty space in this folder. You will see something like open PowerShell window here, or you may see something like open command window here. Commands which I'm going to give in this particular blue window are going to remain the same even if you open the black command prompt window or blue PowerShell window, so do not worry about that. First command that we are going to write is fastboot OEM unlock. This will unlock the bootloader on your device. It is not going to wipe any type of data and you do not need any type of permission to unlock the bootloader on Xiaomi Mi A1. Once that's done, write a command which is fastboot boot. Now copy the name of this patched boot image file and paste it in the PowerShell window. After this, write .img. This is extremely important. So the command is fastboot boot patched boot.img. We need to boot into this patched boot.image file, and that's why we are using this command. Now press enter and the device will reboot itself into the system. Once the device is done rebooting, open up the Magisk Manager application. Select install normally. It will download the zip file of few MBs, so do not worry about your Geo's data. It is not going to take a lot of data, so yeah. And it will install it automatically by itself. Once that's done, you have installed Magisk Manager and root access is present on the device. And just to verify that, I'm going to open up the root checker application which I have already installed on the device. And as you can see, it says that Xiaomi Mi A1 which I have over here is rooted successfully. And that's pretty much it. You have successfully rooted your device. Now let me show you how to update whenever a new OT update comes. So let me just check for updates, and I'm not getting any updates, so I'll have to wait for a few hours. And yes, I'm back after 2 hours and finally I got the OTA. So do not click on install OTA update without doing the following step. First of all, go into Magisk Manager application once again, click on uninstall, click on restore stock images. You have to do this before installing this particular OTA update. Otherwise, you will not be able to install OTA updates, obviously. Once that's done, go back into the system update, click on install, and it will install the update within like 5 to 10 minutes. And it will install the update normally. Let it install. If it says restart now, then restart your device. The update will be installed on your Xiaomi Mi A1 without any sort of issues. Now, if you want to root the device once again, you have to download the patched boot image file of this month. Earlier, I was on December security patch update, but now I am on January security patch update. Now I am going to download the patched boot image file for the January security patch update. And I'm going to follow the same steps which I followed earlier, like boot into that, select normally, and select everything like that which I mentioned earlier. And once you do that, you will have root access on your device. And boom, that's how you can root Xiaomi Mi A1 without disabling OTA updates. If you still have any more doubts, suggestions or queries regarding this video, then do let me know about that in the comment section box below. I guess I have answered most of your queries, but if you still have, then obviously comment section box is always open for that. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and let's see if we can reach 2500 likes on this video. And most important thing, get subscribed to the channel, because many more awesome videos on the Xiaomi Mi A1 are going to come real soon on the channel, because I personally have this device and I will keep on making videos on this device for I don't know, maybe 3-4 years or something like that. I will go now. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.